What up, everybody? Got out of work, so I'm just heading over to the farm. Cool, I've got some fertilizer spread on the rest of our bean acres. I was pretty much done spreading with that crappy spreader, so they got it all done the other day. I'm gonna go take the turbo till out and hit some of our stalks that I never got to hit in the fall. So we'll work our fertilizer in a little bit and we'll knock down the stalks too. So that's the plan. We're gonna go get her done. Trying a GoPro out. Always shot with DJIs and just wanted to try something different. Also got a external audio to put on there too. It just hasn't came yet. It should be in the mail when I get home. So that'll be cool. See if it get a little better audio going. Alright, we're gonna head over there. Try and get some work done. Hopefully it's dry enough. I think it will be. Alright, we just got here. Ground looks a little wet up here, so we'll see how far we make it here. Chopping up the stalks, maybe mixing up the top couple inches. We'll see when we get down here by this little lake. Hopefully you can see me alright. Not really sure where to mount this at. I feel like I'm yelling at you because I put you way up on the window. Yeah, it's working out good. I think this tool works a little better if the ground isn't completely dry. Seems like it mixes it up just a little bit more. But yeah, I think it's doing a good job. We're going to keep rolling for a little while. crazy and do a shitload tonight, but we'll knock out 20 acres or so. Doesn't take very long when you're running 9 miles an hour. 22 foot, 9 miles an hour. You get quite a bit done pretty fast. My future goal is to use this on our corn ground too. Kind of get away from chisel plowing. But I think I'm going to do a trial this year. Just run a little bit with this and see how it compares to what we chisel plowed. Then we can go from there. I think the next implement I buy will probably be a no-till corn planter. That'd be nice to slowly move towards less tillage and more no-till. Kind of build up our organic material a little bit. But for now, we'll just keep doing what we're doing because it works. Dad and Grandpa have proven that it's a good system, but always trying to evolve and stay with the new times. And it's a balance between what you know and the new stuff. So yeah, we'll just see what we end up doing. You never know. Hopefully the quality's good. I like the camera. It came with a cool mount. A little better suction cup that I can stick to the windows. So hopefully that works good. Just stick my other camera out there on the turbo till so you can see what she's doing back there. Other one's on a magnet mount, so it doesn't work as good in the cab. There isn't really anything metal, but it sticks to everything back there. Alright, time to bust out the other camera. So you don't have to listen to me talk for a little bit. Go stick it out there and get you some time lapses. Let you see what's going on. Check in with you later. Alright, we got this first little field done. Just wanted to come back here and check. You can see these things bouncing sometimes You know you got a rock or something in it when that happens. Bad thing is I didn't bring a hammer or anything. Probably should have. Didn't really think about it. Go see what we got that I can hit that thing with. See what makeshift hammers we got. Oh yeah, that'll work. And if you didn't know, this is what's called a vertical till. It's a Great Plains turbo till. But all the blades are straight. There's no, most blades have like a contour to them like that. And that it causes smearing in the ground and compaction. So these ones are straight and it's not supposed to cause any compaction. And you only run a couple inches in the ground. I think I actually have this a little set deeper than it should, but I like the job that it does. It does a really nice job chopping everything up, leaving a smooth field that I can come in and plant into. So yeah, let's try and knock this thing out of here. She's in there. Alright, gonna have to put you down. Stay there. Stay. Really need to bring a hammer. There we go. We got her. We got her. She thought she had me, but nope. Yeah. Good old clevis hammer. Saves the day. Alright. We got the little piss patch field done. Now it's time to start working on the big boy. Let's get back to work. Almost left you on the tongue. Would have been a bad first day for the new camera. Alright. Let's get back to it. And here we go. Alright, now I can use GPS and auto steer. And we're not turning every 2 seconds, so let's go get her. Show you this view up here. It's probably the prettiest view that we have from a farm. All these damn monitors in the way. Can't see the view. Look at that. It's a nice view from the side of the field. Auto steer engaged. Doing work. This is the field with the big old hole. It's hard to film, but it's pretty solid hole over there. We farm it. It's only slightly shady when you're driving on the sides. But no good crops here, so you can't complain too much. Just gotta deal with washouts. If we were gonna do no-till, this would be the field to no-till for sure. Start doing cover crops here and no-till. This would definitely be the first one to try if we ever switch to that on our corn. So yeah, there we go. I don't know if you can see it in this camera, but man, you really get this thing up to speed, and that just throws all that crap back there. It's got those arms back there, fingers. It just tears that stuff up. It's awesome. But it just leaves a really nice flat area. I really love this implement. I think it does a great job. Another washout up here. This whole side's bad. It all slopes down to the river, so just really this needs to be the no-till field for sure. Need to get away from, need to have something on the ground so it doesn't wash. That's a definite, we're gonna have to do something here for sure. Well, I think we're about done for the day. I don't know if you can see it, but it's raining. We got rain. Not a lot yet, but it's coming. But we got quite a bit done. Got a good 20 acres done or so, so it's a good start. Maybe this weekend I can knock out the rest, at least on this farm. We'll see what else we want to do for, yeah, it's still pretty early, so we don't need to have a whole lot done. Just working up the corn stalks and stuff, and I don't know, just playing around, getting little things done that we can do, so. Alright, I think we're done. I'm gonna fold up and head home. Try and get her inside this time. No, the turbo till won't fit, but at least we can stick the tractor inside here. No reason to leave it out. It's starting to rain pretty good, so. What's up there, big bitch? Okay, I think that's about it for today. Got her in the barn here. Got everything packed in here. So, just in there enough to shut the door a little bit, I think. So that'll be good. Alright, thanks for watching. If you watched it to this point, please like and subscribe. Help me get the channel going a little more. But appreciate you watching, and see you next time.